as the nights get longer, I will follow you, never let you go. Yeah, I keep dreaming, dreaming till the sun comes out. Yeah. Stars are dancing, dancing as the world turns round and round and round and round. Hey. Keep on dreaming on, keep on dreaming on. Stars are dancing, dancing as the world turns round and round and round and round. Hey, keep on dreaming on, dreaming as the sun goes down. Keep on dreaming.
Let's learn Dreaming. It's choreographed by Maggie Gallagher. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, low intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts and include any styling that happens in the dance. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then we're going to go around and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Dreaming. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your right foot. You're going to step your left foot to the left side. You're going to rock your right foot back, recover onto your left foot. You're now going to do a lock step forward, step your right foot forward, bring your left foot in and behind your right, step your right foot forward. You're now going to step forward with your left. You're going to do a quarter pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot. You're now facing 3 o'clock, and you're going to cross your left over your right. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right foot, stepping to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with our right foot to face 12 o'clock. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 9, and you're going to do a crossing shuffle, right over left, cross right over left, left side, right over left. You're now going to rock your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and you're going to weave left behind, right side, left cross. Now on walls 2, 4, and 7, after you do this cross, you're going to slightly bend your knees because the music's going to say go down, down, down. So you're going to slightly bend your knees on your quarter turns, and on your crossing shuffle, you want to put your hands palms facing down, and you're going to do a bent knee crossing shuffle, cross and cross. You only have to do it on those 3 walls. So let's practice that with some counts. We're facing 3 o'clock. Weight is on your left foot. We're going to do our quarter. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to point our right toe to the right side. You're going to point your right toe forward and slightly across your left. We're now going to do a half turning Monterey. Point your right toe to the right side, slightly angling your body to the left. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, pivoting on the ball of your left foot, and then bring your right foot in and next to your left to face 3 o'clock. You're now going to point your left toe to the left side, step your left slightly forward, and you're going to sweep your right foot from back to front and step down onto your right foot. Let's try that with some counts. Left is crossed over right. You're facing 9 o'clock. You're going to do your point Monterey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you end, you want your toe slightly facing to the right so that you remember you are turning over your right shoulder for the end of the dance. Section 4, we are going to do a full walk around for 6 counts over our right shoulder. So you're going to start turning over that right shoulder as you step your left foot slightly across your right. You're now going to continue walking over your right shoulder, stepping right, left, right. And you'll be facing back at 3 o'clock. To end the dance, you're going to step your left foot to the left side. You're going to slightly bump your hip to the left. And then you're going to bump your hip to your right as you put your weight onto your right foot and hit your left knee up. You have 6 counts to do that walk around. So the distance that it takes you to walk around, as long as you are coming back here in 6 counts, then you have made that full circle. You want it to be a slight arc, not a huge one, but just a nice small one where you're walking around in a circle to come back to 3 o'clock. Now on a few of the walls, if you listen to it, the chorus is going to say the world goes round and round. It's going to happen on the 3 walls that you do down, down, down. You're also going to do this arm motion. It happens again on wall 9. And if you listen to the lyrics, you'll find it in the music as you're going. So what you're going to do is, when you start walking, when you step forward with your left, you're going to bring your arms up over your head as you step with that left. Now, for 5 counts, you're going to bring your arms up and around in a semicircle or an arc to each side. So when you step with the right, you're going to slowly bring your arms down, 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 down. And when you finish stepping with your weight onto your right foot back at 3 o'clock, your arms are going to be by your side. Then you'll do your rock and your hitch. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your right foot, you're facing 3 o'clock, you're walking over your right shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. We're going to do it without the arm and hand motions first, and then we'll do it a second time so that you can practice those arms and hand motions. Weight is on your right foot. You're stepping your left foot to the side. So it's side, rock back, recover, lock, step forward, step, quarter, pivot, cross, quarter, back, quarter, side, crossing shuffle, side, rock, recover, behind, side, cross, point, point across, Monterey, half turn with a step sweep, step. Now you're walking around, walk, turn, walk, turn, walk, turn, walk, turn, walk, turn, walk, turn, side, or rock with a bump, hitch with a bump. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your right foot. You're stepping your left foot to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try it one more time with counts, and this time we're going to put the arm motions in. So remember, it's on your quarter, you're going to start with those bent knees, and when you do your crossing shuffle, you're going to do your down, down, down. And then when you do your walk around, your arms come up and around as you walk around. So let's try it one more time with some counts, this time adding in the hand motions. Weight is on your right foot, you're stepping to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now, wall 10 is our final wall of the dance. It'll be one of the side walls. You'll end facing 6 o'clock, doing the full 32 counts. We would end with our rock and our hitch. All we're going to do is to face 12 o'clock by crossing our left over our right, and then you're going to do a half unwind over your right shoulder, unwinding to 12 o'clock, and then that is the end of the dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance, which includes 2 rounds of our hands for the both down, 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 and the world goes around. So when we do the side wall on each, you're going to add in those hand motions. So that means we're going to be doing counts on the side walls. So you'll have to remember to do those hand motions on each side wall. Weight's going to start on your right foot, stepping your left foot to the side. Side, rock back, recover, lock, step forward, step, quarter, pivot, cross, quarter, back, quarter, side, crossing shuffle, side, rock, recover, weave behind, side cross, point forward, Monterey half turn with a step forward and a sweep. Step, now your walk around, walk, 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 side rock with a hitch, step side, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, side rock back, recover, lock step forward, step quarter pivot, cross quarter back, quarter side, crossing shuffle, side rock, recover, behind side cross, point forward, Monterey half turn with a step sweep, step walk around, and then your side bump with a hitch, step side, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, down, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, arms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've practiced with the tutorial and you've got the steps down, scroll to the end of this video and practice with the rear facing demo so that you can rock it on a dance floor near you. I hope this helps you learn dreaming. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.